Hello, my name is Neil Shore. I'm from Toronto, Canada. I've been coming to Haifa for about 10 years now. Through my uncle, I was introduced to HaKeren LaHaifa. We got involved here. Very happy that I did meet up in Haifa. I like to support any programs for children in Haifa, especially anything that helps them with education, with their future, to have a good future, whether it's through sports, as in this place, through art, music, or just at school. Any programs I think helps give them a good future here in Israel.